Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. This is a one sharp truck, 2008 Ford F-250. It's a great work truck. It's an XLT, so it's going to have power windows, locks, and mirrors. It is four-wheel drive. It's got a very nice utility bed with lots of toolbox. It's got a pipe cutter, bender. I don't know what they call it, but you guys know what that is. The towing package, trailer brake controller, factory. Lots of storage. Got your fire extinguisher, running boards. Got a nice brush guard. Truck is in excellent condition. Very nice. There's your power windows, locks, and mirror. Most of these work trucks are XL with no power, nothing. So this has got a few upgrades. Still got the easy to maintain rubber floor. Got nice clean cloth seats. It's only got 106,000 miles. That's not bad for 08. I've seen these with 300,000-400,000 miles. This one has an AM/FM CD player, ice cold air, shift on the fly four-wheel drive. There's your cup holders. You can turn off the passenger airbag. Extra power outlet. There's one here too. Auxiliary input for your radio. Got storage. Some more cup holders. This raises up if you need a third passenger. I do have the owner's manual. As you can see, this truck overall is very clean. It has not been abused or anything. Doesn't look like it. Plenty of storage. All these are lockable, and I've got the keys. This is a Montezuma. Very nice. We put all your sockets, screwdriver, wrenches. Got your rubber mat. Keep all your tools nice and organized. Very nice. Your fuel. It is gas. Heavy duty, well made. Oh, I do have a piece of wood that goes back here. Forgot to put it in here. There's a 2x6 that slides in here. Folds right out. Pretty nifty. You want storage, you got it. Oops. I do have extra key to the truck and the toolbox. They're all right here. These mirrors are powered and heated. Got good tires, quiet. Get the manual wheel lock for the four-wheel drive. Heavy duty. It's a fairly new looking battery. Get the 5.4 liter V8. Reliable, plenty of power. Everything's nice and clean. You can see it's got real good tires on it. They look new. If you're looking for a nice farm truck, utility truck, or just it's a very practical truck with everything you need at an affordable price, I believe you found it. We do have competitive financing available with low interest and payments. Worldwide shipping is also available. To see if this truck's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmining.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, it's sold. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, give me a call anytime. Toll free is 866-933-4680. Thank you for watching.